Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So for today's tag, I'm going to do a tag today. I am using the Glimmer of the, not the Glimmer, the large die of the month from Spellbinders called Dancing Hoppy Bunnies Everywhere. And it's super cute. And if you've seen my unboxing video, I went through all these dies because there's so many on here. And then I also used the which one is the ornate frame from Spellbinders. This frame actually comes, and this sentiment for happy birthday came with my Glimmer hot foil system, but I didn't glimmer with it. I experimented, shall we say, yesterday with my better press, and that's not a hot foil thing. These are not meant to go through the better press. I found a way, taking the shims out and at my own risk, which is what you will have to do if you want to try your foil dies in your better press, because they're not meant for that. You can hot foil the better press plates, but you can't do it the other way around. Well, you can't, not you can't, but it's at your own risk, like I say. So I experimented and managed to get this frame inked around a tag like so. So this, and it's slightly impressed in there, like the better press is, you know, like a letter press, better press, slightly pressed in there. You can see it more on this layer here, but I was happy. It means I will get more out of my hot foil dies if I don't want a hot foil, because sometimes it's just too hot and I can't I don't want to sit with that heat coming up at my face. So I've inked it onto here using my better press. I will show that in a different video as like a, this is what I did, but like I say, it may damage your warranty and stuff like that, so it's at your own risk if you want to do that. So what I have is, I have the bunny, I've already put it together, and the chick and my little words. I wanted this to be very simple and quick. Obviously putting these die cutting and putting it together takes a little bit of time, but not that long. And also the arms you can switch around and have them going different directions. So I've got it like this for a reason, and you'll see that in a minute. But isn't she cute? And there's all these pieces that you can add on the back. I didn't want it to be the dancing version, which is what this hole here is for, so that the legs can move. I decided to just keep her as one piece. And then the Hello Spring is what I decided to put on here. So I've got the black at the back with just the plain banner cut, and then the word inlaid in that, which is a separate die. And then I have the little chick, which is just the cutest thing. So what I thought we'd do first, let me just grab something. Is I want to ink with some spun sugar. I thought that'd be a nice pale pink to bring some more of the pink in from the bunny. And I'm going to use Distress Oxide, like I say, in spun sugar. It's a very pale ink, but it's very, very nice. And I've just got a blending brush. And yes, I have my Christmas pajamas on. Don't judge me. And I just want to go around the edges here, just lightly. It's very easy. Just does something to the background so that it's not too plain. I know we've got the frame, but I think it just looks a bit better. And it just, like I say, it's very subtle. Camera's barely picking that up. But it just gives it a little bit of something. And that's it. That's the only ink we're going to use today. Shocked, I know. I'm shocked. So there's our frame and our tag. And then all I'm going to do is get, I think I'm going to pop all of them up. So I've just got some dimensionals here foam pads thingies, thingamabobs. And these aren't too chunky either, so be nice and quick and easy. And then just trim a few of them in half. Just to get them on the main parts of the bunny. Let's see, that one there. That should be good enough. And it just lifts her a little bit off the background. And then this little guy probably needs a smaller one, but let's just see, will that fit? Oh, just. And then the sentiment as well. So just get these on here. That might be enough. So all we're going to do is pop these up, if I can. Right, so I think if I get my bunny about there, this little dude is going to be sat on her hand like that, and then the sentiment. And sometimes I like to do tags instead of cards, because if you know me, you know that I sometimes don't get those cards out the door. So especially for things like Halloween, like not everybody's into Halloween, so and even spring, like I don't know, we don't normally send spring cards. So I think for me, doing things like a tag or something, so I can still play with those elements like the Halloween stuff and the spring and the Easter bunnies and all that, is a good way to do that without having the card issue and sending them out. So, and it's also a fun way just to get creative without actually making a whole card, if that's not your thing, or a whole scrapbook page or whatever. This would look great on a scrapbook page. Even the 12 by 12, you could make a whole family of these guys, like the what did we call them when I was growing up? They were called forest families. So you can make a whole family of bunnies. That would be cool. So anyway, that's the tag. I keep them pretty simple most of the time anyway. And yes, please, we're spring. I'm a little tired of winter. Even for me, that's a lot to say. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you another little idea. Oh, also the bow. I only stuck it in the middle so you could make it a little more dimensional. So, and you can add, see, I've got more ideas. You can add little gems to these little centers. Lots you can do. Lots of extra bits you can add to it, but keeping it simple today. I needed it today. So let's wait for spring. Have a great day, guys, and bye for now.